Hello and welcome to European Market Recap. Heading into the North American crossover, equity markets in Europe are trading well into the green, being led by the peripheral Spanish and Italian bourses, who are up over 1.5% after just a few hours trade in cash markets. In terms of news flow overnight, the Japanese Finance Minister Aso said that none of his G20 counterparts objected to the Bank of Japan's quantitative easing policy, which has supported weakness in the yen today. It's looking to make a test on 99.00, possibly later in the session today. But elsewhere in the FX markets, the sterling currency has seen much stronger against most others, with cable up as much as 75 pips as people look towards yesterday's news out of Verizon saying they do not see too much difficulties in acquiring Vodafone's stake in Verizon Wireless, so that M&A flow said to be supporting the sterling currency, particularly in the cable currency pair today. But elsewhere, Italy still remains without a president as they have entered their third round of voting with no consensus seen anytime soon, as we've seen commentary for a number of leaders from across the Monti party, the PDL and the PD. None of them is seeming to reach any sort of decisive conclusion. So looking out for the results of the third vote as we progress through the next couple of hours. But the rest of the session remains relatively quiet. The only real macro data of note comes out of Canada with their CPI figures, which we'll look out for at 1:30 London time, and of course bring you as soon as it is released on the newswires. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a great rest of the day.